Hello everyone, this is Megan Huntsman with the Utah Golf Association. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the new team play program we're going to be using moving forward. So it's the same as it was before as far as access. You'll just go to uga.org, then we'll go into the Tournaments tab, click on Team Play, and then you'll have the option to select your league. When you do, you'll see that it's customized just for you. Boom. For the women, you'll go to Women's Golf, select Women's Team Play, and then your portal will automatically open. You'll see it looks very similar to the old Team Play page as far as formatting. I kept it as close to the other one as possible, so all your links will be available right here on this page. Captain's Directory, the rules, the final schedule, and you'll just click the link and it will open up and you'll be able to see all the information you need to. You'll also notice at the top right-hand corner of your portal there's a little option to click sign in. At this point, if you don't have a username and password, it's only because I haven't sent them out. I will, following the entry deadlines, you'll get an email with a prompt that looks like this. Once you click this blue link right here, it will take you to the page that looks like this, where you set your own usernames and passwords. Your usernames actually are already set. They're just your email address, the ones that I have for you in the directory, and then you can customize your password how you'd like. Once you click Save Password, you're ready to go. I already have you set up as a captain. I've created some test usernames and passwords for myself, and I'll use those today to go through the process. Okay, so once you've logged in, you'll see these 5 tabs at the top of your portal: Home, Schedule, Edit Pairings, Enter Results, and Standings. If you do not log in with your username and password, you won't be able to see Edit Pairings and Enter Results. Those are set up only for captains. Public, play, any of the other guys on your team who don't log in, they can see Home, Schedule, and Standings. Otherwise, only captains can view these two. Schedule, if you click on that, that will show you the schedule for the year. The left column is the home team and the right column is the away team. So home team, away team. And then underneath the home team, there's this little icon right here that just updates you on the progress throughout the match. So you'll see when lineups are entered, it will tell you that lineups are entered. When the matches are entered, it will give you the club that won and the result. So it just updates you throughout the season. If you click on Edit Pairings, this is where you'll enter your rosters for the year and your lineups for matches. So I'm going to be working under this match right here, Test Club 2 versus Test Club 1. You click Select, and then I am a captain on this one for Test Club 2, so that's the only option I have. If I click Test Club 2, here's where I enter my lineups. Now, if you don't have players already entered in here, this is where you add players to your roster. So you'll click this Add New Player icon. You have the option to search via last name or via GIN number. Once you plug them in and you click Search, your players will pop up. You just click Add, and then it will add them into your roster. If you do not see a player, if it says that they don't show up, it's only because they're inactive at your club, so they just need to renew their membership. I've already added in some players, so I'll just enter this lineup. You just click the box you'd like to add them to, go over here to choose a player, select your player, and then click Go, and it will fill them in. This is the number 1 spot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this first row right here is a total match. So I'll click this, select a player, go, go. Just always make sure you select the area you want populated, or else nothing will show up. And don't forget to click Go. Go, and then you just click Save Team Changes right here. If you want to continue working on your roster in the next few days, you just click Finalize Later. If your complete roster is set, you just click Pairings are Final, and then it shows up right here, Test Club 2, the pairings are final, and there's your players. Now I'm going to sign out so I can enter Test Club 1 lineup. So there I go. Once I've signed in again, all 5 of these links are available. I click Edit Pairings. Go into my match right here, select. You'll see it shows me that Test Club 2 has entered the final pairings. I click Test Club 1, and then same thing, I just fill in my lineup. Again, if I want to add a new player, I just click Add New Player and search via GIN number or name. Save team changes. Pairings are final. View all pairings, and then you actually give it just a moment, it will update. You go back and then select your match again. The pairing should be finalized. So there you go. Jennifer Aniston versus Wild Billiam, Chandler Bing versus Marcus Dogbarker. I hope you like the names I chose. Next, you'll click this link right here that says Enter Results. Again, you select the match you're working under, and then this is where you enter in your match results. NS just means no show. Otherwise, you just plug in your points. You don't have to put zeros in there, it'll just recognize it as being 0. And then click Save. Details, if you want to plug in the standings, you can, but you're not required to. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, if you click Save, it will kick you back out, and then you have to select the next matches to plug in, or I guess the next matches. You'll see it totals, automatically calculates the totals for you. Instead of clicking Save, if you just click the next matches on the bottom, that's where it will take you. And then for the 4-ball, same thing. And then you just click Save. Select. All of these are entered now. If you click Standings, you'll see that Test Club 2 defeated Test Club 1 20-16. You can also view if you click on Schedule. You scroll down to our match. There it is. Test Club 2 won by 20-16 points. If you click on Details, it will give you the overall results. And that's all you have to do. Feel free to give the UGA office a call if you have any questions. I know this year will be a learning curve. I'm happy to help. I will not be running team play the remainder of the season, but anyone in the office would be happy to help you as best they can. Just call 801-563-0400. Hopefully this new program will fit you well. I think it's a lot easier to navigate than the old program. Thank you for tuning in, you guys. Again, call if you have any questions, and have a great day.